Python conditional variable setting. For some reason I can't remember how to do this. I believe there was a way to set a variable in Python, if a condition was true. What I mean is this, where it would hopefully set value to test if the condition, 1 = 1, is true. And with that, I was going to test for multiple conditions to set different variables, like this. And so on for just a few conditions. Is this possible?
This is the closest thing to what you are looking for. Otherwise, there isn't much else.
You can also do I prefer this way, D.
Less obvious but nice looking term.
Value equals 1, 2 1 equals 1, smile. Well, I guess this would work too. Value equals none true, 1 true, both true, 1 equals 1, plus 2 equals 2. Not exactly good programming practice or readable code, but amusing and compact, at the very least. Python treats booleans as numbers, so true is 1 and false is 0. 1, 2 true, equals 2, 1, 2 false, equals 1, and 1, 2, 3 true plus true, equals 3.